Have you ever wondered how the stock market really works, and if it's possible to make a solid $10K in just 1 year? Today we're diving deep into what makes the market tick, and why understanding it could be your ticket to financial growth. First, let's start simple. The stock market is like a giant flea market where companies list parts of themselves called shares for you and me to buy and sell. Companies do this to raise money for new projects or expansion. When you buy shares, you're not just buying a ticket. You're actually becoming part owner in that company. The more shares you own, the bigger your slice of the pie. So why do stock prices go up and down? Well, it's all about supply and demand. When more people want to buy a company's shares than sell them, the price goes up. It's just like bidding on items at an auction. But here's a common misconception. Investing in stocks isn't gambling. Unlike casinos where the house always wins, investing in well-researched companies can lead to long-term gains. It's about making informed decisions. Now let's talk numbers. Historically, if you had invested $10K in the S&P 500, a mix of major U.S. companies, a year ago, your investment would have grown by about 7% annually, meaning roughly $700 extra without even touching it. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. The stock market can be volatile and risky. It's crucial to diversify your investments across different sectors and types of assets. Think of it like having a well-balanced diet for your finances. And remember, this video is educational only and not personalized financial advice. We strongly recommend speaking to a professional before making any investment decisions. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button below and subscribe for more videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. Stay curious.